In this video, I'm going to show you how to add individual error bars in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a chart that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add individual error bars to this chart. To do this, click on the chart. In the title bar, click on Chart Design. In the menu bar, click on Add Chart Elements. In the drop-down menu, click on Error Bars. From here, select Standard Deviation. Go to the error bars again. This time, click on More Error Bars options. From this pop-up, select any one of your series. Now in the Format Error Bars option, select Custom. Click on Specify Value. Delete the positive error value and replace it with the standard deviation value. Repeat the process for the negative error value also. Click on OK. Here, you can see that our chart with individual error bars is complete.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.